बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वआलिहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वआलिहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन. In this lecture I will discuss the combinations for repeated objects with examples. Combinations for repeated objects. Do not use NCR for the repeated objects. For example, if we have 5A's and we have to select 5A's, 3A's and 1A, then there is just one way to select 5A's from 5A's, 3A's from 5A's and 1A from 5A's. See, one way only. One way to select 3A's from 5A's. Never use 5C3 and never use 5C1 to select 1A from 5A's. There is always one way to select some or all the letters from repeated letters or objects. Cases when just one object is repeated. For example, in this word telephone, only one letter is repeated. Method: consider all possible selections with and without the repeated letters. For repeated letters, never use NCR. For remaining letters which are not repeated, you can use NCR. So with and without the repeated objects, when the selections are random, use NCR for the selections of the remaining distinct objects. You can use NCR and you have to use NCR for the distinct remaining objects. But you cannot use NCR for the repeated objects. This is here. Given. The question is find the number of selections of 4 letters from the 9 letters of the word telephone when there are no restrictions. So we have 3 E's and 6 remaining letters. So we have to consider all possible selections with and without the repeated letters. So selections with no E, selections with 1 E, selections with 2 E's, selections with 3 E's. So when there is no E and you need 4 letters, so you need to write 64. You have to select all 4 letters from the remaining 6 letters because there is no E. Selections with 1 E. You just need ignore the selection of 1 E. You already have selected 1 E. There is just one way. Now you need to select 3 more letters from 6 remaining letters. So 1 E is already selected in one way. So just write 63 for 3 letters. This means 1 E with 3 more letters from 6 remaining letters. Now selections with 2 E's. You already have selected 2 E's in one way. You just need to write 62 for the remaining 2 letters from the 6 letters. Selections with 3 E's. Altogether we need 4 letters. So you just need to write 61. You already have selected 3 E's. You need just one letter from the remaining 6 letters. This is the way to select letters when one letter is repeated or one object is repeated. But when 2 or more objects are repeated, then list all possible selections, that is with and without the repeated objects. For example, in this word, we have to select 4 letters at random four letters which contains exactly 2 G's or exactly 3 G's. So we have to first make the data. We have 3 G's, 2 E's, 2 A's and remaining letters are R and T. And we have to select 4 letters which contain exactly 2 G's or 3 G's. Now we have to make all possible selections of 4 letters with 2 G's and with 3 G's. So with 2 G's, we can have 2 A's. This is the first way. You have to make all possible selections like this. With 2 G's, we can have 2 E's. We can have AE with 2 G's, AR, AT, ER, ET, RT. So these are 8 ways to select 4 letters in which there are exactly 2 G's. Now, selections with 3 G's. This is simple. We just need one letter from the remaining letter, because altogether we need 4 letters. So with 3 G's we can have 1A, 1E, 1R, 1T. So there are 4 ways to select 4 letters with 3 G's. Exactly 3 G's. So 4 ways plus 8 ways makes 12 ways. This is the way to solve these type of questions. An important advice for me and for everyone: we must be kind and we must be humble. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.